What's up, everyone? What's going on, people? Honestly, looking at the markets, man, what a crazy time. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard. This is Oscar Ramos, and I'm making this live because I've been listening and reading and doing my research today, and this pretty much this coming week, and um, all of it is pretty much looking forward as to probably this movement in the cryptocurrency market is going to be pretty wild, and I think we got to prepare ourselves into holding strong. As you saw, we got to hold strong with those diamond hands, baby. So I'm going to go ahead and just go ahead and get some amazing questions from you guys and have a great time with the fam here. Sina, Lucas, welcome aboard. Today, cryptocurrency market by price, by market cap, we have 2.27. Lester in the house. Welcome aboard, baby. Honestly, this live is a lot of Q&A. Have a great time with the fam. It's a holder's party, baby. That's what it is. We've been here before. We've been here before when cryptocurrencies start dropping, start falling, especially Bitcoin. And I'm going to go ahead and do some analysis and just chill. That's pretty much it. Good evening. How you doing, Tony? Jose, welcome, guys. We got the time. At this time, there's really nothing popping off. I see my Coinbase and only Cobalt, which I have no idea what it is. BTRST, Brain Trust is also doing well, and Economy. Other than that, everything seems flat. Everything seems super, trading sideways. That's what we see. The price of Solana is a steal, to be honest with you. The price of Cardano is also a steal, in my opinion. XRP is also a great position to start, guys. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin's price. I think for this specific video, back again, of course, Astro, what's going on? For this specific video, I've been watching a lot of different sources and reading a lot of news and kind of going through the different updates that's happening with the market, and I like it, man. Honestly, I like it. The more I learn, the better, and I come to you and I show it to you guys. So let me know if you have any questions. I'll be taking a look at you guys too. First and foremost, I look at the price of Bitcoin right now, and yeah, you can see me, guys. I look at the price of Bitcoin right now, and I don't see it that bad, to be honest with you. We reached the all-time low in the last, ever since April 15th, when the China added the banning Bitcoin. That was June 22nd. Here on the Fibonacci retracement, I'm looking at a price of $28,000. That's not bad. That is not bad, honestly. Right about here. Bam! $28,000, June 22nd. That was really ugly, of course. Then look at that cycle that we had in the middle of 2021, all the way coming all the way to the moon, 69,000. So it was clear that I think we were going onto something. Probably it's not only me, guys, but everything when it comes to inflation, when it comes to the Omicron new variant, when it comes to the news in the economy, global, it's affecting in a way. People are buying, people are selling. But one of the things that I'm learning a lot, especially on other YouTubers that I really follow, it's how there's a change. People, the whales are really buying right now, and it doesn't seem that they're selling. Whereas it's like a fake type of crash where really it's doing pretty badly in the cryptocurrency market, but it doesn't seem to be that way for whales. They're still buying, and the supply of Bitcoin is not getting any higher. It's limited, and it's gonna come down, and people are buying this retracement, this pullback a lot. So that puts in my spider sense, I need to be dollar cost averaging more. I need to be putting more emphasis in my crypto positions and buying when I can. And that's, I think, what I'm going to be doing, of course. Not panicking at all. Cool as a jet. There you go. Of course, great time to buy it, Tony. About so much dip in the last week. I'm about good for the entire holiday season. And I'm pretty happy because I'll be getting more monies, as you know, guys, this coming weeks. And that is exactly what I'm going to do. What I'm predicting for me specifically, guys. Oh, I just noticed Flexa posted something. So let's go ahead and take a look at it because I'm ready for it. Flexa posted something right now. Let's see what, because I got a notification on Discord. Let's see. Here it is, just 4 minutes ago, guys. Let's go ahead. Yeah, you can see it. I'm gonna go ahead and make my camera a little bit smaller. Flexa, buckle up because it's DeFi Thursday. Introducing support for, oh wow. Let's see, we have 1 inch, Aave. Okay, so now all of this is gonna be available on Flexa. 4 minutes, and the special bonus, Bancor Network, Uniswap are now spendable in the Speed app. Happy spending. So what's happening right now is a lot of different tokens and coins are coming to Flexa. Take a look at this. So when it comes to AMP token, as we know, spending on the Speeding app is heavily important. So right now, of course, AMP token is not doing the best when it comes to the price, but that to me is fantastic. I buy when I can too, of course. Nice haircut, buddy. Thank you. What's up, Grim the Reaper? Welcome aboard. Where the party at? Over here in Texas, buddy. Here's the party. Welcome aboard, everybody. This is pretty much all the news that we're seeing, and now Flexa coming up and dropping even more, just happening 6 minutes ago. So that's insane. Where's the AMP token army here? Let's go. That's nice. I'm gonna go ahead and open AMP token right here. When I take a look at the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum, I see that Bitcoin has received a little bit more of a, I will say, of a pull down. It has come down even lower than Ethereum. I'm gonna go ahead and do AMP. There you go. Here it is. So all these news, guys, all these news that are happening to AMP token are not doing anything for the price, which, I mean, I would expect that right now. Look at this. All these great assets that are coming to Flexa and the Speeding app, on a normal case scenario, they would have already helped the price a lot, but we are seeing a nice correlation how, although great news are coming up to the market, not only to Bitcoin and Ethereum. I mean, we see more companies buying it, more people endorsing Bitcoin, and even countries. The price is not doing that because that's the cycle and that's how it is. Sam Rad, what's going on, people? What do you think about the entire ongoing Ripple versus SEC situation? Also reviews on XRP. Well, I think you're gonna like what I'm gonna tell you because I own XRP. I bought it on KuCoin, and every time I have a chance, I buy Bitcoin on Coinbase Pro, swap it and send it to KuCoin, buy there and send it back. I think XRP, once that lawsuit is done, it could explode as I'm watching and doing my research. It does have utility based on what it does with banks. And I like that. It helps transfer of payments amongst different banks in the United States and the world. So I think that's powerful. Blue Color Jose in the house. Welcome aboard, buddy. Welcome. Oh, yeah. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe, people.
Trying to see if I should order another Bobcat miner or just keep buying other coins. What's your opinion?
Dude, honestly, that's a great thing. I wanted to order a second Bobcat miner, but I honestly was like, oh man, like it's gonna take a long time, and I didn't do it, and I bought more coins. I'm gonna tell you, man, if you're willing to wait about 6 months for that, then go for it. But in my case, I didn't want to leave the dip. Right, I bought more coins because we were dipping, and I think it's a little bit more worth it to buy cryptocurrency right now instead of waiting 5 to 7 months for a miner to arrive. That was my case. Now, if you have a house or a 2-story, 3-story, 5-story building where you can put up many Bobcat miners immediately, then do that, please. I think that will be the best thing that you can do. Got it? What's up, Mr. Cam? Let's go. Bobcat is the next endeavor. Of course, Paban. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Holding a small bag of XRP Swift will get outdated. And there you go. Today is leg day, and this is the best part of it. There you go, but appreciate it. Hope you're having a great time at the gym. We were talking about the cryptocurrency market crash. Is it crashing? Well, I think one of the best case scenarios or the best example to start talking about market crashing or anything around those lines is looking at the price of Bitcoin, right? Definitely, altcoins outperform Bitcoin, no questions asked. Bitcoin 2xing at this time, or even 1xing at this time, which it wouldn't be nothing, right? But 1.5x at this time will be the greatest thing in the world. Going from 47,000 to 60, 70,000, that will be like the greatest bull run we've seen so far. Even though we've been super close, as you're seeing this on the screen on November 11th, almost 70,000. That is amazing. So we are really far from that all-time high when it comes to price. However, that's only 3 Fibonacci retracements, and that's, let's go ahead and get the ruler right now. That will be about 36% according to TradingView. Why then multiple companies and whales are buying Bitcoin at this time? Now, here's one thing that I picked from other YouTubers that are really good at the subject. It seems that whales are, of course, using OTC markets to do this transfers and transactions over the counter transactions. What does that mean? It means that they don't go through an exchange. They go through a one-on-one interaction. It's like amongst whales, they have, enough Bitcoin already to sell it at the time the buyer is willing to pay and the seller is willing to accept. That way, you don't really affect the price of the market for that asset that much, because I'm going to actually demonstrate you what I'm talking about. And I think this is super important. That's something that I've learned today, and that's awesome. Here it is. Where is it? Here it is. It's coming from Musi. This was showcased on Cryptos R Us, which I watched. George, or old George, I think he's a great guy. So here it is, liquid versus liquid supply. You're seeing this? Yes, you're seeing this. So very important how I watched this on Cryptos R Us, so kudos to him. And this makes total sense. You see how the price of Bitcoin and the liquid supply, they decrease in May when we had the Chinese banning news. So I remember that crash which happened this year. I remember it so clearly. Everything completely destroyed. And if you see here, we have 1, 2, 3 head and shoulders, baby. Like it's going up, but still, like very nicely put up new highs, and then here another high, and then bam, definitely massive crash due to those news. And you see a lot of people selling. But in this case, you're seeing right now, the price of Bitcoin is coming down, but the liquid supply, it's coming up. There's gonna be less Bitcoins available. That means that people are buying. In this other scenario, we have the price of USD and all exchanges reserves. We see right now on the all exchanges reserve, which is the blue one, that it's decreasing. My camera is on the way, but it's decreasing while the price it's coming, somewhat in the sideways trading. It's cool. These are all news that I think makes total sense to me. And when he was talking about, OTC markets, to me, that made a lot of sense. MicroStrategy bought 7,000 Bitcoin last week, which is insane just to think about it. 7,000 Bitcoin. Wow. Millions of dollars, of course. So it does seem that in most cases, they utilize OTC markets to make those purchases, because here's the question, right? Why, if everybody right now it's buying, like the whales are buying, why then the price of Bitcoin is not rushing or pushing all the way to the moon, right? Because what we see here, everybody, what we see at the bottom, it's what's coming from that specific exchange, right? This is Binance. If I do BTC, Coinbase, this is Coinbase. It's not taken in consideration. Binance is not taking in consideration an OTC market. And that makes total sense. When we see a huge pump, for example, AMP token, back in the day on the year to date, remember the all-time high on AMP token right here? This is coming from Coinbase. That's the pump registered on Coinbase, not on an OTC market, which is what pretty much whales utilize to buy a lot and not affect the price. And that makes total sense. Let's go. Oscar, you should have left that miner in Miami on Thanksgiving. Oh, shipwreck, you remember that very well. I know for sure. There's a lot of things going on with the miners that I'm learning a lot, and definitely I'm waiting on the next rack wireless drop. Hopefully I want to get that one, because waiting 7 months, I better buy coins right now. So I'm ready for the next run, and in the next drop on the rack wireless, I'm gonna go ahead and try once again. And if I get it, there you go. I'm gonna have a miner for the same price or cheaper and I'm gonna be getting it much earlier. That's what I'm looking at. You see? So I'm just winging it at this time. Hopefully I'm gonna be getting something. When it comes to market crashing, what to do, everybody? Is it real? Is it not? Well, of course. Oh, let me go ahead and close that. There you go. Coming to today's cryptocurrency market cap on coin market cap. Of course, I mean 2.27. We've seen that back in the middle of the year or early in the middle of the year, because Bitcoin has been above $60,000 before. And to me, it's like, man, when are we gonna continue on passing to the next level? But on the other side, on the other hand, right, I'm like, no way. We have another chance to buy Bitcoin at $47,000, which that's insane. November 10th, there was a crash as well. Exactly. It's a fake out hole. Jay, I think you've been watching some of the videos that I've been watching too. What's up, Mr. Cam? Welcome, welcome. And I think that's what's happening too. And I have it right here. I'm going to be closing this one. Here it is. Even other people like the Kiyosaki, real Kiyosaki here saying Fed and Biden pushing fake inflation, crash and depression coming. Gold, silver, Bitcoin real estate will crash too. So people, and I've heard this a lot in the last couple of days, that we're gonna get even worse, everybody. That we may get even worse. Ready to buy more gold, silver, Bitcoin, real estate after has crashed. Time to get richer after fake inflation crashes. And take a look at this one. Cryptocurrencies could have enormous impact on everything from ransom heart attacks, said director of the CIA. So definitely we see some pushback with crypto, but on the other side, 10 hours ago, MicroStrategy, like I've been telling you, dropping down the W, buying all these type of Bitcoins for, a lot of money, 82.4 million in cash and an average of $57,000. So that is insane, everybody, isn't it? John, Oscar, I'm losing money. Really? So are you selling? If not, then you're gonna be fine. Definitely, I make this video specifically, right? Don't make these videos too often, especially with that thumbnail, right? There you go. I think this is a video, guys, for people who want to know about this subject, about the crashes, and about what it means to be a holder. What it means to be a holder, and I'm gonna explain it to you with one of my favorite cryptocurrencies, which is gonna be AMP token in this case. I got into AMP token right about in May or so, right? Right about at 4 cents or so, right? Somewhere around here, 3 cents, and I've been holding ever since. Definitely, I wanted this cryptocurrency to explode, but I was learning really a lot back in the day. So far now, we pretty much see the same price I was seeing back months ago, guys. But the difference is that now, after all these pumps, you kind of get to know what the cryptocurrency is gonna do for you. And all the news that are happening with the project does seem that whenever the time is right for this one, we'll have that pump that we are looking for. Let's go. Selling is the worst than buying high variant. I would agree with that, my friend. I would agree with that. Have buy some mana. When Shiba Moon, we've been dropping since November 10th. Oh, Bitcoin, there it is. Let's see. This is November 10th. Exactly. You are right, Brian Tarletta. It's right here. What's up, Crane? Welcome aboard. It is right here, and I want to emphasize this. Since November 10th, it's been a continuous drop that it hurts, but we're still here holding, right? I think at the end of the day, of course, and I'm gonna say this, and I think it's just my experience, everyone, and you'll tell me what do you guys think in the comments. I'm gonna go ahead and open up more my camera. There you go. I like to see me big. um, I think this administration really has to do something when it comes to Bitcoin too. The federal administration. Um, I'm happy that Bitcoin does not need a federal government or a centralized authority. That's great. But this administration has really created a nasty inflation, has created some kind of weird logistics when it comes to supply chain. I've been listening, I'm hearing to all the news on the daily. And well, I hope the best for this administration, right? We all wanted to succeed and thrive, so everybody does well. But I mean, you'll be the last judge at the end of the day. You'll be the last judge. As an investor who has money in the market, in the stocks and crypto market, it's weird. It's weird, how things go. Printing a lot of money. I think that's what really hurts the most. Positive and negatives, right? You print a lot of money. Yes, that's great for social welfare programs, for give free money to people or whatever. I mean, that helps a little bit of the economy to stimulate. But at the end of the day, even Elon Musk had an interview, and it's all over social media. He was asked about the bill that's coming up right now. He was like, don't do it, dismiss it, delete it. I mean, more government spending, that is insane. That of course create that inflation that in a way, I mean, makes everything more expensive, and for the markets is something that kills it in a way, crushes it. Rich Low, thank you. This administration destroying a well-oiled machine. It is what it is, right? I mean, you guys will know even more. Even though I'm not from this beautiful country, I'm a Mexican, but I try to get me so educated in the subject, right? It is a privilege to be here, and I know that. But you kind of start seeing all the different administrations and what the priority is. And one thing I wouldn't agree a lot with this one is the usage of money. Like, I know you have to print money for X, Y, and Z, but I mean, it's already over the top. And printing more, man, when will it stop, right? That at the end is gonna bring something bad to the economy, to the real estate market, to loans and banks and stuff like that. So definitely that, in a way, for us as crypto investors and stock market investors, what would that create is an opportunity to buy. That's pretty much it. Like, even though the stock market or crypto or real estate, because every time I watch Graham Stephan videos, it's all about the crash. It's all over, right? Everybody's telling us that it's gonna crash. So this video I'm making for you guys is to tell you, look, a crash, a big one, like a big sudden crash that's gonna really be remembered, may happen. When? I have no idea. I'm not a guru. I'm not idea, right? Now, if we know, listen to this. If we know that a big, delicious, like freak out crash can happen to the markets, both crypto and stock, and if we know that Bitcoin is going to reach more than 100,000, Cardano is going to reach more than $10, AMP token is going to pass 10 cents, Solana is going to pass $300, Crocoin is going to pass $1, and so if we know that, if we know those two positives, right? Well, let's play to the one that's going to happen regardless. We're going to be passing $100,000 with Bitcoin. I know that. I mean, it's happening. Gladly and God willing, I'll be living for the next multiple years and decades. So what should I do? I'm not going to panic. I'm not going to sell. I'm not going to just go ahead and cry out and march. What I'm going to do is I'm going to save up for that and have some money on the side, DCA, dollar cost average. And when the ugliest things come, I'll be ready. I'll be ready, because there's some things that you cannot control. For example, government spending, like I was saying just a couple minutes ago. I may not agree with the government and how they handle things, right? You and I, we are not in the federal government. We're crypto investors. We're kids. We're family members. We're men, women, and I think the best thing we can do at the end of the day is have money on the side, so when things get bad, we're ready for those opportunities. Because let me tell you something, guys. Take a look at this. I think this is the best picture ever, right? Bitcoin from 60,000 went all the way down to 30 in a matter of less than 2 months, right? 2 to 3 months. Destroyed more than 100% of its like 50% of its value. Then it came back all the way up. So this took from July all the way to November, August, September, October, November, 4 months. That's the cycle. 4 months. That's an entire quarter. So right now, if for some reason we continue dropping, give it about 4 months. Buy the dip. I'm going to buy the dip. Guess what? This is a non-financial advice channel for entertainment purposes only, and I respect that. So I'm going to buy the dip, and I'm going to continue doing it, and I know we're going to be completely fine, everybody. Let's go. Tanks, what's up, Tanks? Great to have you finally here. I like your bits. I joined the Crow Club. Robbie Red, baby. Let's go. Loving it. What's going on, everybody? I'm going to go ahead and read your comments, guys, because you obviously know a lot too. So let me go ahead and take a look at this one. Hey, Oscar, since you hold XRP, did you set up a trust line to receive the Solana airdrop later this month? I do not. But that's a good question. Have no idea what that is. The supply chain crisis was engineered to do exactly what it's doing. Sadly but true, right? I mean, I think that's insane, the supply chain. I have friends who work with trucks, with trucking companies, and there's a truck driver shortage right now. It's insane. They need truck drivers. Could be a fake out. Not the first time it happened in crypto world. Alpha Brain, absolutely. I completely agree with you. Buy and hold. There you go. This could be the last crash in terms of opportunity. Alpha Brain, I do also agree with that, man. There's just great opportunities for us to get the dip, because at the end of the day, this is what's going to happen. We're going to start seeing Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, ALM token, Cardano, Algorand, Crocoin getting to all-time highs. That's going to be too late. It's going to be too late. It's going to be too late to really you be part of the team of we're rich, baby. Like, we are going to make it. Oh, look, new kids around town. New kids are coming into the market. Great. Because remember, it happens. 2022, Robinhood is going to come up with the wallets. It's happening. They already said it. 2022, beta wallets. So 2022 at this time, I think it's going to be massive for crypto. But what's happening right now, it's going to propel to the next level in 2022. So far, 2022 seems to be an amazing year for us, guys, the holders. I wouldn't be selling at all, to be honest with you. I wouldn't be selling. I think that will be insane. Magna CNFT, bring it. What's up, buddy? Good to see you, bro. Let's go. Let's go. He's totally right, though. It's all dictated by the larger market. The world got problems. There you go. Solid advice. I appreciate it, buddy. Welcome, guys. I'm now exhausted my fiat supplies for the time being, everything into cryptos. And here's another another recommendation. Always have your emergency fund, right? In my case, I'm going to share mine to you. I always have $1,000. Of course, you never know what's going to happen in the world. And if you started watching Dave Ramsey videos, well, there you go. $1,000 on the side, just cash, the most liquid form of cash. There it is. So whatever happens, you have at least $1,000. The rest, well, I do have my credit lines. That's another emergency line if I need money. I'm just giving you some solid, I will see, advice, which is not even crypto advice, but this is like finance advice, which is have your emergency fund and some credit lines ready if you can spend what you have there. I mean, don't spend over that credit line, of course. After that, guys, the rest I have it on my cryptocurrencies. And yes, of course, I also have my solid Roth IRAs, retirement accounts, which those are untouched. Yeah. Blue color is in the house. Let's go.
What's your opinion on debt or taking out loans?
Ooh. I think that's a perfect segue to what I was saying, right? Well, easy peasy lemon squeezy. If you use debt correctly, you're gonna make a lot of money, right? Especially on crypto. If you get a margin and then pay it back and then make more money with it. Since using debt is a delicate subject, a lot of people like it, a lot of people don't like it. At the end of the day, if it works for you, great, go for it. I will take some loans for example, for a house, for a car. Some people do it. If you want to do the cash only method, that also works. It is what brings you happiness at the end of the day. But if you want to really make the most of it, I think you will have to use debt. And of course, have a good credit score. Let's go. Let's go. Let's take a look at this one. Robinhood. What do you think about Alchemy Pay? I love it. I think it's a good one too. 4 to 6 months emerging funds set aside. Payvan, there you go. You know, I want to tell you a crazy story about that one. The 4 to 6 months emergency funds aside, I had a hard time to do it. Because I had that much money and I'm like, I just want to buy more crypto and more stocks, and I couldn't handle it. So I do have my $1,000 set aside after I have all my investments set in stone. Don't forget the toilet paper. Let's go. Kev C, what's up? You want to kind of set up? Let's go for it. I love it. I love it, baby. Alrighty, guys. Man, that is insane. We have more people in the house. How you doing, guys? Welcome aboard. Bam. Man. But that's a good question. Blue Color Jose, thank you so very much for asking. This time, this one is another one, guys. Ethereum, baby. Ethereum and Bitcoin are the two that I don't talk too much, but I love to hold them, guys. Ethereum and Bitcoin, like for reals. Remember buying Ethereum back at $1,000, and I'm still holding, man. And I'm making that delicious money. I'm earning interest on Haru.com. I have the link in the description down there. I'm getting about 14.5% on that APY on Ethereum, and it's great. Honestly, it's fantastic. So far, in these times that it's not increasing that much, I think that's a great opportunity for us to make some good money, baby. Let's go. What do you think about Matic? I have Matic Polygon. I think it's going to be a good one for sure. Has a great run already. Has come from position 30, position 50, 30, 20, now position less than 20. At this time, let's go back here. Matic, we are position 14, is even ahead of Crow. So don't have a doubt that it's going to do well, Matic for sure. Of course, RET right now helping tons of Ethereum. That is the thing about Matic. That's the good one. That's a good one for sure. Definitely. John, he says, I'm bleeding. Imagine some other people that, let me tell you, imagine some other people. So don't worry, it's going to be fine. But of course, some people are not satisfied at it's going to be fine. Don't worry, right? One of the things that I always like to bring to the subject is, well, we've been worse before. It's been worse before, guys. And later on, as far as holding, as I was explaining a couple minutes ago, it's all should map out as we continue holding. Bitcoin, for example, man, still people buying Bitcoin at these prices, still people getting onto Bitcoin at these prices, doing the OTC strategy, which is the over-the-counter strategy. That is something I didn't know, but makes total sense. How are you going to buy Bitcoin and not influence the price? Well, you want to buy it low and buy it the more you can, but you don't want it to pump it up. So you buy it outside an exchange. This is Coinbase. You can go to Binance. You can go to any other one, but over-the-counter OTC really makes total difference. Man, that makes total sense. Hey, Aaron, are you considering a potential major drop to the levels close to the prior years? I don't think so. I don't think that's going to happen. If we drop for Bitcoin, definitely. Look, this is the Fibonacci retracement done. I'm gonna be adding the RSI on this one. Definitely, it's gonna help me a lot to kind of map out what we have here on July 23rd, and we have here right now. It's the bottom already of the RSI, and here's the bottom, close to the bottom of the RSI. So overall, we've been doing okay with Bitcoin. Definitely, we are doing okay. We are doing better now. So far, it's doing better related to the RSI and kind of like taking a look at more indicators. I like where we're heading right now with Bitcoin because it's all the way to the bottom of the RSI, which that's fantastic. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency, right? Like, don't really talk it in the channel, but of course, after watching a lot of hours of Michael Saylor, Crypto Aras, BitBoy Crypto, and other different ones, definitely kind of makes you believe like, wow, this is not only a cryptocurrency to store value, digital gold, but it's the revolution of really getting away from the government fiat that represents your country and trusting a project that was created after the market crash and the collapse of the housing crisis in 2008. Bitcoin was created in 2009, and boom, there it is. This project that has no more than 15 years, and it's already has given returns above and beyond. Above and beyond. Absolutely. Diamond hands, baby. Of course, John. Welcome, guys. What's going on? Cardano or Mana? Two of them. If I had to give a decision, the two of them are perfect right now. Perfect. More Cardano for sure. More Cardano, in my opinion. But since I already have my Cardano positions, I'm going to say Mana. The metaverse for sure. The metaverse for sure, guys. Just a couple hours, just a couple minutes ago, Flexa Network announced even more news for Speed and App, where you can spend your cryptocurrency. And at this time, we see nothing has really changed its price. I'm gonna go to the 1 day on AMP, and we see just a little bit, man. Nothing really much. So at this time, this is so insane, and I love to see this, guys, because not many people are buying, although we have an amazing price. You see what I'm saying? Not many people are buying, and we have an amazing price for all these type of cryptocurrencies, and that is great. Boom. There you go. Oh, I love it, man. It's great stuff. Definitely Ethereum is going to be reaching those good, amazing prices. I have no doubt. Here's one thing that I was telling earlier in the stream, which is really, really, really important, specifically for Bitcoin, guys. What's going on, Jordan?
Fort Worth TX in the house.
What's going on, buddy? Texas here. Thank you so very much for the support. This is, guys, a crypto crash party holders party, so don't worry. Are we crashing hard? Well, yes, but not really as bad as I had thought. And even though we can have a better and stronger crypto crash later on, definitely just keep holding, man, and it's gonna be completely fine. At this time, this was made, but now we can see the total opposite on the price of Bitcoin. It was coming back all the way down, but the red now before, which is the liquid supply, now it's coming back up. That means, everybody, that people were selling as the price of Bitcoin was coming down. Now people are buying as the price of Bitcoin is coming down. So it makes no sense, right? You're like, well, if people are buying instead of selling, why is the price not coming up? Well, as I was referring to OTC markets, when you buy outside an exchange, and I think that's very, very important. Got it? Isn't that amazing, man? This was featured on Crypto RS. That's how I got to know this, which is pretty cool. That's insane, man. That is insane. What's the news? Holding here. What's up, Maximus? Well, the news, guys, that at this time we holding, baby. We holding for sure. Put in the chat, everybody, what are the cryptocurrencies you want me to check out right now and what to give a complete full review and analysis. Last time we did Elon. Last time we did VBS. What are the next one? Oh, actually, Last time that we're doing that, Saitama was the one that lost against the BBS just for a little bit. But let me go ahead and hear you guys. We have time, no worries. We have some good, delicious times. And I mean, this is a Q&A, baby. Let's go ahead and enjoy with our friends right here and the viewers. Because at this time, we know already that we got to hold. We know already that we got to, take it easy and buy the dip. Now let's see who wins. Let's go, guys. Wow, I start to see a lot of AMP. Oh, nice. Well, the AMP armies here. I love it. Why would we need another currency when it just makes us worry about our investments? The tools they offer is good, fast, and cheap. Okay, Oscar, how about Gala? Gala was doing very well earlier today. Gala Blockchain Gaming. I have Gala and I want to add more, but I just need the money, man. I just need the money for sure. Definitely we need those monies, as I'm getting a lot more here because I see different cryptocurrencies right here. I see Luna, Gala, Luna. Luna is another one that definitely is going to be very good for all my AMP token friends. As I'm getting more, just want to mention this because it's important. Just today, 40 minutes ago, buckle up, Flex is saying a special bonus. We have now available in Flexa 15 more DeFi assets anywhere Flexa is accepted. What does that mean, guys? Well, for Flexa Network and AMP token holders, it means that when you go and pay with Speeding App, now you will have all these different tokens and DeFi assets ready at your disposal to pay. Now, honestly, guys, this is incredible, and this is exactly what's going to give out more openness for AMP token. We just need that acceptance that I think we're missing. So at this point, I will say Flexa Network is ready, man, to really go all the way to the moon when it comes to utility. What I would like to see is what crypto.com is doing. More partnerships. I mean, this is insane and I love it. This is great. Now what I'd like to see is more partnerships that are accepting Flexa. I think that's what has to be coming, because still we have more than 15 days of the Flexa rewards, the Flexa days. We want more partnerships, more collaborations with other different companies that are accepting Flexa as the pay rails for cryptocurrency. Does that make sense? So that's pretty cool, honestly. That is amazing stuff. 15 more assets, man. That is great stuff. So yesterday we had Algo, Matic, and Link, and now we have 15 more. So definitely this is everything that Flexa Network was working on, right? AMP token was working on with this for a long time, and they wanted and they waited carefully for the end of the year to do all of this. They waited for the end of the year to do all of this. So that's amazing. That is great stuff. That's awesome. Alrighty. What's up, Martina? I am Lee. Good to see you. Welcome. As you saw the thumbnail, Will Holding, baby. Holder Spotty right here. Holder Spotty. Okay, let's take a look at this. We have a bunch of different recommendations, and I see Gala and Luna a lot. Gala and Luna. So I'm going to go ahead and do Gala and Luna because, yes, I see a lot of Gala and Luna here. And we'll do other ones for sure. What's up? Welcome back. Luna, guys. Luna is one that definitely I think is going to be a good one for sure. Contracts on the secret network. That's great. We see that year to date right now. Boom. Look at that beauty. Price $6. Price right now we have $68. So that is great. I'm going to go ahead and do my coin perspective. There you go right here. Bam. And see what's going on with this one. Now, I don't have any Terra Luna, but I might look into it. Of course. If I already reached the top 10, it is legit and it's going to stay with us for a long time. So I see the market cap is 25 billion. The circulating supply, we have 379 million, and the total supply is less than a billion. That means that if it's less than a billion, the price can really pass $100. No questions asked. If Ethereum 100 plus million, Solana 500, if I'm not mistaken, Solana Solana has 500. Yes, Solana has 500 million already at 183, and Terra has 852. So definitely, I believe this one can easily pass $100 for sure. So that is great stuff. If I compare this one, to Bitcoin, let's take a look at this one. If Terra had Bitcoin's market cap of 900 billion, one Luna will be worth. No kidding. Are you kidding me? That is insane. If Terra had Bitcoin's market cap of 900 billion, one Terra Luna will be worth more than $2,000. No way. That is insane, man. That is awesome. That is awesome, dude. Wow. Look at that. Well, that is a long shot, right? Ethereum, that will be more than $1,000. More than $1,000. Man, that is insane. So Terra Luna, for what I'm seeing so far, great stuff. Terra is a blockchain protocol that uses fiat-pegged stablecoins to power price-stable global payments. Terra combines the price stability and the wide adoption of fiat currencies with the censorship resistance of Bitcoin and offers fast and affordable settlements. That's nice. Man, that's so cool. That's so cool. Can make it work. Lol, Terra Luna. Luna, baby, definitely. You guys are holding Terra Luna. I think that's a good deal for sure. Definitely, I remember seeing Terra Luna way below, and now just take a look at that. Would you look at that? Let's take a look at this one. Luna. Bam. What's up, Gautier? Welcome. That's the thumbnail, Havoc. Of course. Holding, baby. We holding and doing some nice Q&A. So this is Luna. Let's go ahead and do the year to date. Oh man, don't kidding me. Look at this. This is the year to date for Luna, guys. Oh, no way. Look at this. Man. Completely obliteration. $1. At the beginning of the year, Luna was $1. Man, that is amazing. That is insane. So what is my lesson learned here is that it's all getting started. It's all getting started, guys. Atomic, boom. Luna is a sleeping giant. So I think what I'm trying to say here, guys, is for sure this is the first year that a lot of these cryptocurrencies are exploding. Crocoin, Luna, Avalanche, Solana. These are relatively new that I've seen on CoinMarketCap. Oh. Ooh, that was a good one. What I think is in 2022, as the next bull cycle runs, we might see them, of course, continuing going uphill. Definitely. So Luna is a good one for sure. Definitely. Maybe a little overvalued on high because of the quick growth. Gautier, welcome. Look, this is what's gonna happen with Luna, and I appreciate you doing that, and I appreciate you kind of coming back with that comment. Definitely. Boom. Here it is. Right about here. There you go. What I think is going to happen to Luna is it's what already happened to Avalanche, Solana, Crocoin. Should be coming down a little bit more. Definitely. From the price right now of $76, Luna should be coming back down. Look, let me just go ahead and give you the Bollinger Bands. Yep, here it is. Not lying to you. I'm going to give you again the RSI. The RSI looks good, to be honest with you, but the Bollinger Bands do not lie. They do not lie, and I like Luna somewhere around $50. Somewhere around this price, definitely coming back down, passing the Fibonacci retracement. So definitely Luna is a good one. I like it. And once they dropped so much, that's when you get in. Same thing happened to Crow. Same thing happened to Avalanche, to Solana. Less than $180 Solana. It's gonna happen to Luna too, to Avalanche too. So that's when you get in, because if we weren't able to get it to $19, $20, like in May, Luna was $7, guys. That is amazing. Matic, Mystic Shadow. If you had $1,000 to start investing in crypto, where would you start? I think that's a good question. I would start $1,000. That's a good question. I'll buy 250 of Cardano, 150 of algorand, like $300 of Solana, and the rest will probably go to Decentraland. That's what I'll do. Yes, that's what I'll do. Maybe another $100 on I'm Token too, but that's what I'll do. There's a lot of cheap prices right now, definitely, my man. A lot of them too. So that is Luna, guys. Definitely a great position to have for sure. What was the other one? Luna and, let me take a look. Matic. Yes, Matic, I believe so. Yeah, it was Matic. So Luna and Matic, you don't go wrong with those two. Matic right now. Let's take a look at Matic for sure. Matic. Here it is. $2. Year to date. Matic has done incredible too. Look at this. Matic Polygon 218. Here it is. I'm going to take out the Bollinger Bands, and we see a price of 24 cents in March 2021. When I take a look at the Fibonacci retracement, it hasn't gone above the all-time high that it recorded back in May. You take a look at that, guys. I'm really new, and it's so easy to mine if you have an RX 580 or something just sitting in that gaming PC. That's cool. Yeah, mining with those ones, that'll be amazing for sure. Take a look at this. I think what has even more potential to grow, Matic is a good one to hold. Like I don't have too much Matic, but the ones that are completely destroyed, like Crow right now, will be a great opportunity. Cardano and Algorand for sure. So there you guys have it. And it was Gala. Was it Gala? There you go. It was Gala. Matic is another good one. Let's take a look at Gala. Because Gala exploded, man. Here it is. Yep. Here it is. Here's Gala. There's Gala right here. Now it's consolidating. I love that. Bollinger Bands. You see that. Take a look at that because it exploded. Gala really did a lot. Really good. Did really good, everybody. Holding strong, everybody. Go ahead and smash the like button right now. Consider subscribing. Let's go. Hold your spot, you guys. We're talking about different cryptocurrencies that are going to be delicious to buy. We understand that what's happening in the cryptocurrency market is transitory, not like the Federal Reserve Chairman said days ago that they first said it was going to be transitory when all this administration, the government officials of this administration were asked about the economy, the inflation and everything, and they said it's transitory, it's transitory, it's transitory. And now the Federal Reserve Chairman and the Treasury Secretary saying, I think we should stop using the transitory word. That is insane. So it may get worse. You know, the crash may get worse. So always have money on the side. That's what's going to save you to get the cheapest deals. Let's go. Always have money on the side, man. Baron, you're getting it, Brand. You're getting it. I mean, that's exactly what they say. It's going to be transitory. Man, It is what it is, man. It is what it is. I guess it's a longer opportunity for us to buy the dip. To buy the dip, of course. Gala, everyone. Blockchain gaming had one of the greatest runs so far. Let's take a look at this one. Here's on Binance. Right about here. The RSI, this is exactly what I was waiting for, guys. It's way no longer overbought. Way no longer overbought. Now it's getting close to the middle. I still think Gala can drop even lower for sure because it's very, I mean, it's still way above. It's still way above. I mean, let me go ahead and adjust this Fibonacci retracement all the way here. There it is. Bam. Here it is. That's the good one. But it's still getting close to the first level. Typically, what I've seen a lot, cryptocurrencies do come to the first level and stay there. So we're very close to the first level Fibonacci. I like to see that. Man, as soon as I start getting money, goes to Gala, goes to, which is the other one, Solana, goes to AVX. Cannot let it go. BBS too. BBS, I talked earlier today about BBS. I need to buy it. Need to. Very important to have a hard physical assets fired up premium price for 3.5 trillion and your money ain't worth nothing. I cannot agree more, right? Having some rental properties, houses, that's also very, very important too. Man, this is incredible. Oh man. So for how long are we gonna have this nice momentum that it's stalled, not moving, decreasing day by day? We'll just have to wait and see, guys. We'll just have to wait and see. At this time, crypto fear and index we're looking at, is it extreme fear? Yep. Now it is extreme fear, updated December 10th. It was fear hours ago. Now it is extreme fear. So this is exactly, guys, what you guys want. This is precisely what we guys want, honestly. BBS or BBS is the BBS, the first one. I got 2 million BBS. I feel like I'm never going to touch it. That's so cool. I made 400% with Shiba, then I made 500% with Loopring. Now, when all the market is down, I'm being lazy and holding. Man, I'm here with you, all of us in the same place. Holding strong, baby. Holding strong. What I'll tell you guys is, as we look at this fear and extreme greed index, just remember where we were last month on 75 greed. And the last week fear, and yesterday fear, and of course right now extreme fear. So it does happen. When this chart it's the total opposite and we are at extreme greed, if you're a trader, just remember, go ahead and take out some profits if you want. If you're a holder, stake, baby. Hold, because that's when you're gonna be a lot of money as you're holding and enjoying the ride, baby. Let's go. It's super cool, to be honest, guys. Extreme fear right now, that's what we want, baby. That's what we want. Let me go ahead and refresh this beauty and see what up. See what's going on here. All of this is garbage right now. It's deploying, it's dying. Let's take a look at the Gala right now. How long can we go on Gala? Oh, can't believe it. There you go. 36.3 billion, yes. I compare Gala often to Crow because they do have similar supply. 30 to 36 for sure. Crow. Yep. Gala. There it is. I'm gonna do 30. There it is. Volume. So Gala, of course, going close to we're looking at Mana, right? That's doing very well. Look at the price of 50 cents to 61. So these are some of the opportunities that you don't want to miss out, especially, I mean, I believe so. Definitely for the long term. How about ADA? ADA, baby. That ADA, that's a gift from above. Look at ADA, completely destroyed. ADA is being lazy at this time. Absolutely. When it comes to ADA, guys, I'm holding that one, not even looking at the price anymore. We're gonna be fine, but um, the fact of the matter is that we don't know when the price is gonna come up, when exactly will come up. We don't know. But what we know, it's all the projects that are being built on Cardano ecosystem. We know what Charles Hoskins and the team are working on, the Cardano Foundation. We know how things are looking up for the future. And to me, that is enough and what I need to learn for these projects, guys, you know? Paul!
Oh,
Yeah. Let's go, my friend. Thank you so very much. Let's hear it.
Is it just too risky to sell before the crash and buying back in at the bottom?
No, Paul, I think that's a perfect question, man. It is not too risky. It's just that nobody knows when it's going to happen, right? Selling before the crash is like predicting the next house crisis. You might guess the exact month, but not the exact day. That is why the movie on Netflix, the something short, I forgot the movie, the Greatest Short or something like that. It's very popular because the guy predicted the housing crisis and made a lot of money, right? It's not too risky. It's just difficult to predict. But when we take a look at Bitcoin right now, it's at a perfect price, man. Like what are we waiting for, right? Right now it's at a great price to make some delicious profits because Bitcoin goes up and goes down like this. And it will pass 50,000, 60,000, 70,000. Yes, it will. If you have that kind of money, don't even think about it. Don't even think about it. The Big Short. Thank you, Patrick. Appreciate it. Yes, The Big Short. I watched it, and you guys want to know something? When I watched The Big Short, I understood nothing. I remember I was kind of looking for business movies, and I watched it. I understood nothing. That was before I started trading stocks. Now I understand, and man, isn't that an amazing movie? For sure. What website is he on? This is TradingView, my friend. TradingView. Some people are saying that crypto market is going to crash Q1, Q2. S1R, that'll be the greatest gift ever because you know what? By then I'll have even more money to invest. Look at Ethereum, everybody. Ethereum is doing fantastic. After the crash, December 4th, came back all the way up. 3,500. Look at Bitcoin. It hasn't come back up from the crash of 50 to 42. It's just barely 47. Ethereum is doing way better. As always, I watch all the videos, and Ethereum is doing very well so far, holding on strong. I like it. Even though Ethereum goes to $1,700 or $1,000, which that will be massive losses, definitely, and a lot of people are going to be running away. That's exactly when I first bought my first Ethereum at those prices. I'm not going to leave it. I'm just going to go ahead and continue buying to decrease my average. You guys see? That is what I'm thinking about this, guys. It's a holder's party. Let's go, everybody. Holder's party. Any questions? Go ahead and drop it in the chat right now. What other cryptocurrency do you want me to review? So far, we've made Gala, Cardano. What else? We have Token and Terra Luna. And all of them completely approved. All of them completely approved, honestly. As we take a look at more information here. Oh, look, Venmo's giving money. Yes, we like when Venmo gives money, right? That is amazing. Take a look at cryptocurrency. Let's take a look what the latest is here. 4 hours ago, its red turns for a year-end recap and crypto was king. People mentioned crypto 6.6 million times and counting on Reddit this year. And there are now more than 500 cryptocurrency communities. Guys, once again, this is barely starting. This is barely starting, everybody. I barely have 1 year in crypto, and I can tell you how much I've learned so far. Man, it's insane. Never learned this much in my entire life, I think so, because there's a passion now behind this. I created a channel, a business behind this. That's just how much I liked it. And there's people who want and demand content and information, right? That is amazing. For the Shiba army, you now can pay on BitPay with Shiba. Yes, nice. Take a look at this one. I like Benjamin Cohen. When the Bitcoin prices goes up, people seem to never be able to imagine it when it's gonna come down. When the price of Bitcoin goes down, people never seem to be able to imagine it going back up. It happens. It happens a lot, right? It happens. If you want to give yourself a little Merry Christmas, buy some cool crypto now when it's down. That's true. Because you know what's going to be? Like, it happens all over again, guys. When crypto starts coming back up, you won't even notice. You won't even notice. You won't even notice when crypto starts coming back up. It will be like, oh, look, we're back at $2 Cardano. Oh, look, we're back at 70 cents on Crow. Oh, look, we're back at 8 cents on AMP token. That's it. And you're like, oh, wow, man, let's go. And everybody's going to be like, oh, I mean, now it's exploding. Well, not really. It's just coming back to the levels it was before the crash, right? And that's it. It is what it is. We will be fine. Thoughts on Polygon, please? Perfect. That's a good one. That's why I own it. The word crypto is why I think crypto.com is going to be big, and that's Sweet Metal Visa card. Yeah, I mean, when I started my crypto journey, I knew about crypto.com and I didn't want to go with them, but because back in the day I thought it was sketchy, but now it is not, of course. Is Bet dead? B-Chain is alive, and I have it, and I'm not gonna sell it. ACH is a good one. Definitely a lot of people compare ACH to AMP token. They all, I mean, in a way, work together to make cryptocurrencies more available. So I like that a lot. With Flexa network, you can pay, and you colorize that payment with AMP tokens. A lot of in the Asia areas and globally, you can also use ACH at the point of sales, websites, applications to pay, and merchants and consumers receive the Alchemy Pay token. So that's pretty cool. Algorand, holding my Algorand dear and near, not selling my Algorand for nothing, man. Polkadot, Rui, it's another one that I want to get in. I don't have any Polkadot because I've been too busy buying other stuff. But if I can tell you guys, Terra Luna, Polkadot, XRP, Cardano, Solana, those, like, away from Bitcoin and Ethereum, Tether, and all the stable coins, these are going to be good. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5, Terra, Polkadot, XRP, Cardano, and Solana, these are must-have. And I don't have these 2. I don't have it because I have some underdogs. For example, Crow. Like right now, I've been focused a lot on Crow because I like Crow a lot. And I think it can do a lot of things. And I'm still buying because remember when Terra Luna was $1, now it's $68. So if Crow, that is less than $1, I'm buying it right now. What if it goes to $2, which it can? Then I'm going to make a lot of money. And I'll be back at that price when people are going to start noticing Crow. And there you go. Same goes to BBS Finance, right? So Algorand, here's another one, right? Algorand is my, it's the cryptocurrencies that I like a lot, and I know it can do magical things, and that's why I'm holding it. Barely just 10 billion. I just cannot comprehend how people are passing Algorand. Just 10 billion. Well, total supply. Let me take a look at this. It was 10 billion. Why does it say 6? It was 10. There it is. Max supply is 10. Total supply is 6. Okay. Doesn't say the total supply there, but it's 10. Anyway, total supply is 6.8. Circulating supply 6.3. This one, guys, I think Algorand is going to explode so big leak, and I'm ready. If out of all my cryptocurrencies, thank you so very much. Appreciate it, guys. Out of all my cryptocurrencies, Algorand and AMP token are the 2 that not many people know, and I think they can explode very deliciously. Out of all of them, out of all of my cryptos that are super good, Algorand and AMP token, I already have my positions ready, my foundations, and when they explode, man, we're gonna be packing for sure. We're going to be packing very nice. That is great. Take advantage of this dip. Of course. Of course. ACH has a lower market cap and circulation, but AMP has more utility and innovation. Definitely, I will put Flexa Network way above in technology perspective and branding here in the United States for sure. Where do you see Crow in a year? Much higher than it is right now. It's just been a year and a lot of cryptocurrency just exploded, everybody. Let's just be patient, right? Let's just be patient. Basically, what we're trying to do is this. This is the price of Bitcoin. I'm going to go ahead and delete all of this. Let's say we are, let's see. Perfect example. Perfect example. We're here, everybody. Somewhere here. Right? Here it is. That's where we are. That's where we are, everybody. That is 2017, 18, 17. That's, I believe, where we are right now. The sky's the limit still. I'm not saying that we're going to be holding for a long time, right? But we are due for a nice pump later on when it comes to Bitcoin, passing $100,000. Is it going to happen by the end of the year? Of course not. I don't think so. But in Q2 and 2022, it has to be something magnificent when a new bull run starts. I don't think $100,000 is going to be enough run for Bitcoin. It's going to be passing even more. The total supply of gold, it's trillions, right? Market cap supply of gold is trillions. If Bitcoin gets to a price of 500,000, it will pretty much match evenly gold. So 500,000 per one Bitcoin, guys. Right now is 40-something thousand. Can you believe that? It's still miles away. Not even, right now it decreased from 1 trillion value. And gold is like 11 or so. So in the future, I see Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies much higher than it is right now. And I'm making this live to all my awesome watchers, viewers, subscribers. So thank you so very much, Crypt. The cut is here. So you guys think about it in the long term. I think we're going to be extremely fine. If AMP comes down, I'll buy more. There you guys have it. Absolutely. This is insane, everybody. Welcome aboard. And thank you so very much for watching. This is honestly what I think, guys, and what I wanted to come today with this awesome thumbnail, which I never use, but I always want to try something new for my audience, right? Hope you guys liked it. The idea here, guys, is to definitely understand what is to come for later on, and just chill, relax, enjoy the show. As a content creator, I can tell you that views all across the board are somewhat down because nothing is happening that excites the markets, and that's fine. We don't do it for the views. We do it for the passion, for helping people, and because it's always it's a great thing, to be honest with you. You make money and you help people and you learn. I think that's a great combination, and YouTube does it pretty well. So far, I just want to thank you guys for the amazing support. So far, doing fantastic. This is barely the beginning, guys. Once again, let me go ahead and take a look at all these people here. Amazing thumbnail. Let me go ahead and give it to you guys once again. Bam! Look at this one. And I just went swimming. I went swimming like an hour ago. So they're even buffed. Man, I'm loving it. And of course, always the green shirt. Guys, everybody, thank you so very much. Honestly, what a great, amazing evening here from Texas. As always, if you guys want to take a look at me after the lives and after the videos and go behind the scenes, check the link on top of the chat. That's my Patreon page. Just updated everything and pretty much giving you the opportunity to have some coaching sessions with me, baller opportunities, investing, inner circle, everything in between. If you would appreciate my advice and a lot of the content, check that out, please. Appreciate it a lot. I want to say thank you to all the donors, the viewers, the likes, the subscribers. More information coming up tomorrow. Didn't post a video today because I just wanted to kind of have a connection with you guys, with the live audience, which I have tons of people here, which that's insane and mind-blowing always, every single time I come here live. Thank you guys for your time, man. Join the Patreon. Let's go. Crypto, appreciate it, my man. Thank you so very much. Oh, man, that is incredible. He's been hitting the gym hard. Honestly, I don't think this is a lot, everybody. Like, I don't think that's a lot. There's people that are ripped, more ripped than me, but I try to keep me very healthy. I try to keep me very, very healthy. I like it, everybody. I know this has nothing to do with crypto, but anyway, it's my channel and I can talk about it, and we have a couple of people here. But anyway, I'll tell you now, it's an advice because it's not financial, but I think it's good from a life perspective. Look, I know that crypto and stocks oftentimes makes us a little bit weary and stressed and worry. So what I do is I swim and I walk and I pray and I have your own time, right, to get out of the markets, especially me that I make a lot of videos. Imagine. Welcome, Rodney. Welcome. So what I'll recommend you to do, if you're having a hard time in a way getting up to speed and enjoying this journey in the cryptocurrency space, just find something to do outside investing. You put money on the side. I know it's so easy for me to tell you, just wait, hold it out, be patient. But if you're having an issues or so, definitely talk to someone, family, friends, start reading, sleep, meditate, something like that. In my case, I like to swim. So what I do is I go swimming, I relax my mind, I get fresh, and then I come back stronger. And that's what happened today. And it's great. Oftentimes when the market is amazing, it's booming, it's doing everything, I'm just crushing. I'm making videos and lives because that's what people want and that's what I like to. You see? So in a way, it has to be a balance. Find your balance. Money at the end of the day is not everything. That's what I believe. Of course, I want a lot of money and I want to make the money, and I think that's what's going to carry me to the next level. But in the end, keep family close, keep friends close. Don't isolate yourself and ask for help if you need it. That is, I think, a great advice for all of you guys, because crypto is going to be here whether you're here or not. I know that's super sad to say, and I know that kind of it's crazy for me to even say it to you, but take it one day at a time. The price of Bitcoin, the price of Ethereum, the price of I'm token is not going to come down or up if I pass away tomorrow. So take it easy, one day at a time. Be happy, enjoy every single day that you have. And let's go to the moon, guys, to the moon. Let me take a look at the comments right now. Jose says, after the gym, I drink a soda because I'm dehydrated. Let's go. Your gains match your trading style. Haha, the day traders are the ones that are buffed out. Yes, sir. Amen. Let's go. Do what you want. It's your channel. Of course, Chris. I have a problem with checking my portfolio multiple times a day, probably an unhealthy amount. And you know, that is something that was happening to me when I made the transition from stocks to crypto, because stocks, Robinhood, it closes, that's it. There's nothing you can do. Even options, everything is closed. But with crypto, there's always moving. And when the prices are dropping, that's definitely when early investors, beginner investors will worry a lot. That was me back in the day. I would worry about the price of Ethereum from $1,000 that I bought coming to $800. And I'm like, hey, I just lost $200. No way. What am I going to do? No. After so many months, it's all chilling. It's all fine. You lose money, you make money. But what's important, not selling, everybody. Do not sell. Time on hands, baby. It's gonna be fine. And family and Christmas. Of course, I clean and appraise manhole lids. Word skeptic pump. My man. Thanks, guys. I bought the base here and there over here a few months. I'm down. Money all over. Nice stuff. Yeah, a lot of people have that problem. There it is. I check my portfolio daily just to see how things are going. I'm not selling anything until long term. I got used to not to worry about. Only people who should worry are the day traders, not the long-term holders. That is how I'm going to leave it today, guys. If you're a long-term holder like me, chill. If you're actually day trading, of course, check it and make that much money. Later rain, everybody. I'll see you next time, everybody. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow with more videos and content. Peace. Take it easy, guys. God bless. Let's go. I'm learning hence means losing money. I'm learning too. We're here, Texas. Are you from? Nice. Take it easy, guys. Peace.